Okay, I'm using my pet project, the app that I used to learn all this. It's a little bit disordered because, of course, I started from scratch and I started like making mistakes, like having general context, a lot of things that, yeah, were mistakes back in the day. Now I understand how to manage them better. Um, but this has been my pet project to learn how to use all these tools. In this project, I started using the general memory, so I will let so now because for demo purpose it's okay. Um, so yeah, so here I create a .mcp.json file. That is where Cloud will use the MCP servers when I try that later. So for example, this. Okay, so I can say and you read the Parallel project knowledge from the knowledge base MCP. I want to know some architectural decisions we made. So let's see if it's catching it. Hopefully so. General memory search, that's good. Yes, that's okay. Let's see what finds. So yes, you see that it detected the MCP and is trying to get some files. There you go. And it's starting to query the knowledge base. There you go. You see here it knows the stack, the domain driven architecture with the domain interface, data we like, the tolerant flows, etc. etc. So now I can start querying here. I have like a unified API on how to work with client and how to work with Cloud Code. Both can share the same knowledge, and this will be super useful. The coolest part of this is that you can see, using this tool, you can see things that you will learn when you were working in the project. You can be saving different learnings across the project, so you can. I thought that one of the coolest use case is that while you work and you get bugs, etc., you can ask to, for example, to Cloud Code or client, whoever you want, to create a new rules following the pattern. For example, like real maximum update dead. There you go. There you go. That's very cool. So I can say, and you use the knowledge base to create rules following the pattern. You can come to here, that cursor. I can say, for example, probably could be make sense to. Yes, I think this is new document named React anti-patterns. You see, use the project information. So there you go. So that will create a document that I can later import and export. So, for example, that's something that the tool ran in several times on some anti-patterns that really were annoying. And infinite loops, etc. So this is very cool to be able to say, okay, I'm getting this problem multiple times. So the AI can learn when failing, and you can save this knowledge for the project that you can recall later. And when you see a pattern repeat and repeat and repeat, you will see you can start creating new rules that will arise from your workflows and from your real work in the project. So it's like, first we get the general rules as we did in the past demo. See? You see here infinite loop prevention, component state management. You see there is a lot of things that are really cool here. And makes our life easier, and also is auto-apply when we are working in React, so he knows, cursor will know when we are working focusing on a component. Here I can do, again, the same exercise of import-export as we did in the past video. And that way, every LLM that we use in the project will have the same best practices and the same methodology to work. So it's very cool because it's easier to get every tool working in the same channel with the same patterns. So this is I think is awesome. It's something really very cool to have and makes work more easier.